FAW 43M concrete pump truck. The best choice for overseas construction. Sturdy and durable, specially designed for overseas infrastructure projects. It adopts brand new J6P Bafrix-Beck left-hand drive chassis, featuring wide field of vision and comfortable ride, perfectly adapting to overseas road conditions. Powered by a 390 horsepower engine matched with a 10-speed transmission. It delivers strong power and saves fuel, running smoothly on all kinds of complex road conditions. With a wheelbase of 4,800 plus 1,350 millimeters, and equipped with 1.3R22/5 heavy-duty tires. It has excellent load-bearing capacity and shock absorption performance. Standard automatic air conditioner ensures pleasant driving experience. The truck is fitted with wireless remote control system and hydraulic cleaning system, enabling easy, labor-saving, flexible and efficient construction operation. Max vertical outreach height, 41.8 meters. Horizontal outreach radius, 36.9 meters. Placing depth, 26.7 meters. It supports dual high and low pressure pumping modes, with delivery capacity of 140 cubic meters H at low pressure and 83 cubic meters A at high pressure for free working mode switching. Robust in overall structure with universal spare parts and easy maintenance. This truck is applicable to various harsh infrastructure construction projects with excellent cost performance. It is a reliable profit-making helper for overseas engineering business.